Oh, turn the battery on. Okay, snap it. Snap it in the dark. Let's hope I don't snap the bike. Or me. Mainly me, I don't really care about the bike. It's a lie, I really do. Okay, so I've got the exposure 6-pack on the front. I've got the Diablo small light on top. Know these trails quite well since I've done them in the dark, so might be taking a little bit more than I normally do. Right, take this little shortcut here, up down there, a bit forward. Oh, flipping. Great light combination, some full power on the front, big front, full power on top as well. E-bike one. Blowing out my arse already. White seat line. Oh, got by that corner. Oh, fuck. Slippage. Oh, come on, woke me up a bit. Won't be a personal best. Good run though.